Engineer Hani Oviedo, the chapter president of Metro Central Chapter, which covers the Quezon City in Metro Manila.
Ma'am, congratulations as a Gold Awardee. Ano ba yung ginagawa niyo? Bakit Gold Awardee?
Again, thank you so much, sir. No? For our chapter, of course, the Metro Central Chapter always a dedicated advocate for this noble cause, which we're focusing on the elevating the electrical profession and also the strengthening the electrical safety awareness nationwide. So our chapter did the electrical audit at the barangays, schools, and parishes. We also conduct seminars po for the barangay level for them to know that the electrical safety must start with them and kailangan meron silang awareness. Of course, if ever kasi na may iwasan sa kanilang tahanan, they know kung anong gagawin nila for that.
Ma'am, matagal na itong ginagawa sa
Chapter,
sa inyong chapter. Nung nananalo ka ngayon ng
Yes, the IIEE or the entire organization, matagal na po itong ginagawa. It's such that this year, talagang nagkaroon na tayo ng contest for this. The IIEE Electrical Safety Committee conducted this wonderful contest, and with that, the chapters participated and talagang nagkaroon ng more eagerness na mapumunta natin yung electrical safety awareness po.
So no further question, ma'am. Meron ba kang mga departing message o gusto mo may pabot lahat ng mga chapter? Meron ba kang isabi?
May question pa siya.
Question ako. Ilan ka na sa service, ma'am? Chapter company.
I've been an electrical engineer for about 10 years, no? So isang dekada, and being with the active member sa IIE is like roughly 7 years pa lang. And it so happened that during my term as a president and for the first time na nagkaroon ng contest, we did bag this napakagandang award.
Any departing message, ma'am, para sa lahat ng chapter?
So yeah, would like to invite all the